This is going to guide us in writing the electronic configuration. While we are writing the electronic configuration, we must know the order in which we have to fill up the electrons. And this is going to guide us in help us in writing the electronic configuration. My dear friends, please let us see, please try to understand. The energy is depending on the n plus L value. The energies are depending on the n plus L value. The orbital having the least n plus L value is having less energy. See, the less n plus L value is having less energy, least energy. See, the atom is having more stability if the energy is less. The less the energy, the more is the stability. Less is the energy, more is the stability. So, my dear friends, the n plus L value is less, means the energy is less. For example, let us take this 1s. In the case of 1s, n is 1 and s means the n value is 0. So, n plus L value is 1 plus 0, that is 1. I think now you understood. Now, in the case of the second case, that is 2s. Let us take 2s. This is 1s. Now, let us take for 2s. In the case of 2s, the n plus L value is, n value is 2, L value is for s orbital, the L value is 0. So, 2 plus 0, that is 2. The n plus L value is 2. So, 1 is less than 2. So, that's the reason why first the electron will enter into the first s orbital. Next, the electron will try to go to the 2s orbital. Next, let us take the 2p. If you write the n plus L value for 2p value, 2 plus the p value means for L is equal to 1. The L value is 1 for p orbital. So, the n plus L value is totally 2 plus 1, that is 3. See, for 2p it is, the value is 3. For example, now you take 3s. Now you are taking 3s. The n plus L value is, here n value is 3 plus s value is 0. L value for the s orbital is 0. So, 3 plus 0 is also equal to 3. Now you can ask me a question. Here the n plus L value is 3 for both 2p as well as 3s. Means the energies are the same. Then in such case, the electron will select the orbital whose n value is least. If the n plus L value is the same for both, then you have to see which is having the least value of m. So, in this particular case, 2m3, 2 is less. So, that's the reason why after 2s it is going to 2p. Actually, 2p and 3s both are having same energy, same n plus L value. But the n value is less in the case of 2p than that of 3s. I think now you understood. So, my dear friends, now always this is the ascending order of the energy. This is the ascending order of the energy. As we keep on moving, the energy is continuously increasing. So, my dear friends, when we are filling an electron, the electronic configuration, when we are writing the electronic configuration, we always should try to see that the electrons are having least energy possible for them. Least energy possible. For that, what is that Moynihan is telling? First, you have to come and complete the first s orbital, fill it up. After filling it up, then you go to the second s orbital. Then again you fill it up. Then again you go to the 2p orbital. Completely fill it up. Then next come to 3s. Again from this 3s you again go to 3p orbital. After filling 3p, then you go to 4s. See, my dear friends, when we are taking 3p and 4s, the n plus L value is 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. But the n value is less for 3p. That's why we are going to 3p first. After filling this, then we will go to 3d. Say 3 plus 2. The value of n plus L is 3 plus 2. That is 5. Here also it is 4 plus 1. That is also is 5. Here also 5 plus 0. That also is 5. But we are going for the least n value. That is for 3. Next again for 4p. Next come to 5s. Next again you go to, see my dear friends, please try to understand. Now again you are going to 4d. Again you are coming to 5p. Again you are coming to 6s. Again you keep going like that. Again to 4f. next to 5D. Now see here, 4F and 5D. See in this particular line, 7 plus 0, L value of S is 0. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. In the whole line, n plus l value is same. But first the electron enters into 4F because the n value is less for 4F. Next comes to this, next comes to this, next comes to this. Now again it will go to 5F. Then again comes to 6D. Next 7P. Next to 8. Next like this. In this way, this is the way in which when we are writing an electronic configuration, my dear friends, this is the order that we are going to follow. Because always we try to fill up the electron in such a way that the electron takes the least energy, and this is giving the ascending order of the energy. I think now you understood the Moiner diagram. You can just draw it once. You can very easily draw this diagram. Please try to by heart it. Thank you.